Assalamualaikum students, hopes you will be fine. Today we will revise the next question of exercise of unit number 3. Match the definition in column A with the correct term in column B. In column A, some definitions are given. We will match these statements with its correct term. First of all, the ability of living things to move from one place to another. This ability basically is known as the locomotion. We have learned earlier, locomotion basically occurs in animals. Animals can move from place to place, not plants. The next statement, the ability of living things to feel things around them. Living things like animals and plants feel things around their environment through their different senses or organs, and basically this process is known as the sensitivity. The process by which living things taken in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide is known as the respiration. Respiration is an important or necessary life function that is performed every living organism, like microorganisms, animals and plants. The process by which living things continue to extend their species or to produce their new babies or individuals or life offsprings. This process is known as the reproduction. Now we'll move towards the next question. Question number 3, fill in the blanks. Plant makes their own food by a process called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis only occurs in plants, not in animals. Plants and animals take in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. This process is called respiration. Animals can move from place to place. This movement is called locomotion. Next statement is Rafflesia is a parasite. Parasite means Rafflesia gets food from other plants and causes harm to it. Insects breathe through spiracles. A snake's tongue picks up chemical particles from the air and ground. Snake also has another important organ that is present in its head, and through this organ snake can sense different type of scent. Fish breathe through their gills. Question number 4, name the living things. The first statement is it can produce up to 32 babies at one time. This living thing or animal is mice. It has 8 legs and builds a web. Basically, spider has 8 legs and builds a web. It flies about at night. It has good hearing. Bat is an animal that has good hearing. It breathes through moist skin. Frog basically is an amphibian that can breathe through moist skin when frog present in the water. It breathes through stomata. Stomata basically are tiny particles that are present in the leaf of the plants. Now we will discuss the next question. Question number 7. Mark these sentences with tick or cross. First sentence or statement is the hummingbirds hover while it feeds. Hover means remain or hang in one place in the air while it feeds. This statement is true. Next statement is fish do not chew food. This statement is also true. Fish do not chew food, but fish swallow food with water. Animals take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen while breathing. This statement is false because in the process of respiration or breathing, every living things like animals, plants or other microorganisms take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. The later line can be found in some plants. This statement is also false because later line is a sixth sense which is present in only fish. Plants reproduce by producing seeds or spore. This statement is also true. Okay students, hope you will understand and solve these questions by yourself. Thank you for listening.